We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Unicorn Castle Stuffed Animal Net Hammock, kids' toy storage with LED light, a plush toy organizer designed for nurseries, kids' rooms, and playrooms. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The Unicorn Castle Stuffed Animal Net Hammock is a storage solution that combines practicality with whimsical design, aiming to solve the common problem of plush toys cluttering up children's spaces. Made from premium polyester mesh, the net is both sturdy and lightweight, weighing just 5.3 ounces. The product's standout feature is its rainbow-colored net, which adds a decorative touch suitable for nurseries, playrooms, and especially girls' bedrooms. The hammock is designed in a triangular shape with dimensions that can expand to 47 by 47 by 80 inches, allowing it to fit snugly into a room's corner and maximize storage without taking up valuable floor space. One of the most distinctive aspects of this toy hammock is the inclusion of an LED string light. The package includes a 118-inch LED string light with a battery box, though batteries are not included. The lights offer 8 different lighting modes, and some packages even include a remote control and timer function, enhancing the decorative appeal and making the hammock double as a gentle nightlight. The LED lights are not pre-attached to the net, requiring manual installation. This has been a point of both praise and criticism among users. Some appreciate the customizable aspect, allowing them to arrange the lights as they see fit, while others find the process tedious and time-consuming. Several reviewers note that threading the lights through the net can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on dexterity and patience. The wires are described as fragile, with some users experiencing issues such as tangling or even non-functional lights after installation. This aspect has led to disappointment for those who purchased the product primarily for its lighting feature. In terms of storage capacity, the hammock is generally well received. The elastic edge allows it to stretch and accommodate a substantial number of plush toys, including larger stuffed animals like squishmallows. Parents and grandparents report that the net helps keep toys off the floor, reducing clutter and protecting beloved plushies from pets. The hammock's ability to keep a child's room tidy is frequently mentioned as a major benefit. Its large capacity means it can hold a significant collection, though some users note that the mesh is thinner than expected and may not support extremely heavy loads. The manufacturer lists a load capacity of 10 pounds, which is sufficient for most plush toy collections, but may not be ideal for heavier items or excessive overloading. Installation is another area where the product receives mixed feedback. The hammock comes with 3 wall hooks, anchors, and screws, making it relatively straightforward to mount in a corner. Most users find the process easy, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The actual hanging of the net is typically quick, but as mentioned, the installation of the LED lights can extend the setup time considerably. Some users have found that the included hooks are sturdy and hold the net securely, while others have opted to use their own hardware for added peace of mind, especially if the hammock will be heavily loaded. The aesthetic appeal of the Unicorn Castle Stuffed Animal Net Hammock is one of its strongest selling points. The rainbow mesh and twinkling lights create a magical, cozy atmosphere in a child's room. Many children, especially those who love unicorns or fantasy themes, are delighted by the look of the hammock once installed. The lights offer various modes, including steady and twinkling effects, which can be adjusted to suit different moods or times of day. The decorative aspect is frequently praised, with parents noting that the hammock not only organizes toys, but also serves as a cheerful focal point in the room. Despite these positives, there are some recurring criticisms. The most common complaint involves the LED lights. As previously mentioned, the lights are not integrated into the net and must be manually threaded. The process can be frustrating, especially if the wires tangle or if the lights are fragile. Some users report that the lights did not work after installation, leading to disappointment, particularly for those who valued the lighting feature most. Additionally, the mesh material, while visually appealing, is described by some as thinner than expected. While it holds up well for most users, there are concerns about its long-term durability, especially if the hammock is overloaded or handled roughly. Another point of contention is the actual storage capacity. While the hammock is designed to expand and hold a large number of plush toys, some reviewers feel that it does not accommodate as many items as they had hoped. This may be due to the triangular shape, which, while efficient for corner placement, limits the depth compared to rectangular or square storage solutions. Nevertheless, most users are satisfied with the amount of space provided, especially considering the product's affordable price point. Affordability is a significant advantage of the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock. Many reviewers highlight the value for money, noting that the product delivers on its promise of cute, functional storage at a reasonable cost. The combination of storage, decor, and lighting features is seen as a good deal, particularly for families looking to organize children's rooms without investing in bulky furniture or expensive organizers. The product's popularity is reflected in its customer ratings, with an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews. It ranks highly in the category of nursery hanging organizers, indicating strong demand and general satisfaction among buyers. The positive feedback centers on the product's ease of installation, decorative appeal, and ability to keep rooms tidy. Negative feedback is primarily related to the LED lights and the perceived fragility of the mesh. In terms of safety, the hammock is made from polyester, a durable and easy-to-clean material. The elastic edge ensures that toys are held securely, though it is important to adhere to the recommended load capacity to avoid overstretching or damaging the net. The LED lights operate on AA batteries, which are not included, and the battery box should be kept out of reach of small children to prevent accidental ingestion or misuse. The lights themselves are low voltage and pose minimal risk, but the wires should be handled gently during installation to prevent breakage. The Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock is suitable for a variety of settings, including nurseries, bedrooms, and playrooms. Its colorful design and customizable lighting make it a versatile addition to any child's space. The product is particularly well suited for families with limited floor space, as it utilizes vertical storage and makes use of otherwise unused corners. It is also a good option for those who want to display plush toys rather than hide them away in bins or drawers. The hammock keeps toys visible and accessible, encouraging children to play with and care for their collections. Some users have found creative uses for the hammock beyond stuffed animal storage. It can be used to hold lightweight decor items, small pillows, or even as a display for holiday decorations. The versatility of the design allows for personalization, and the addition of the LED lights enhances its potential as a decorative feature. However, it is important to remember that the hammock is not intended for heavy or sharp objects, and overloading it may compromise its structural integrity. The overall impression of the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock is positive, with most users finding it to be a charming and functional addition to their children's rooms. The combination of storage, decoration, and lighting makes it a unique product in the crowded market of toy organizers. While there are some drawbacks, particularly regarding the installation and durability of the LED lights, the product delivers on its core promise of tidying up plush toy collections and adding a touch of magic to any space. If you are considering this product, it is important to set realistic expectations regarding the lights. Be prepared to spend some time threading the LED string through the net and handle the wires with care to avoid damage. If the lighting feature is not a priority for you, the hammock still serves as an effective and attractive storage solution. For those who value both organization and decoration, the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock offers a compelling blend of form and function at an accessible price. In conclusion, the Unicorn Castle stuffed animal net hammock, kids' toy storage with LED lights stands out for its playful design, ease of installation, and ability to keep children's rooms tidy and inviting. The rainbow mesh and customizable lights make it a favorite among kids and parents alike, while the affordable price and straightforward setup add to its appeal. The main drawbacks involve the manual installation and fragility of the LED lights, as well as the thinness of the mesh for some users. However, for most families, the positives outweigh the negatives, making this product a recommended choice for anyone looking to organize plush toys in a fun and decorative way. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.